Hi Shashank, welcome to the chat.
Hi Roshni, thank you for having me, and I'm hoping that you are home, you are safe.
We're all safe, and how are you doing?
Fantastic, super cool, top of the world, exercising, writing, and a little bit of cooking is going on.
Yeah, okay, that's great. Are you watching Balikavadu?
Uh,
Your debut show is on TV these days.
Not on a regular basis, but my father is a regular watcher of it, and he is religiously following Bollywood since day one, like on this the second season, by 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. I'm not the regular watcher, but my father is.
Talking about Balikavadu, let's go down memory lane.
Hmm.
Maybe that time when you bagged the show. So Shashank, did you always want to be an actor, or things just happened for you?
Coming from a middle class background, you know, thinking of becoming an actor is a very daring thing or a dangerous thing because I'm the only son in the family, and coming from a middle class family, it becomes too risky and too unpredictable thing in life, or as far as career path is concerned. So I just give it a thought, okay, because I was preparing for MBA entrance examinations and I was not getting any good marks. So I just thought what I want to do in life, what I love the most. So I just thought, okay, I have done a play in my school and some teacher appreciated me randomly and just taunted me that पढ़ाई वढ़ाई होगी नहीं, जाके hero बन. And I took it that seriously. Then I realized, okay, can't I give it a shot then? Then I had a word with my father. My father said, okay, go. Don't blame me afterwards that we have not given you a chance. Try your luck. So that's the thing, I came down to Bombay in the year 2009.
Oh, interesting. So you actually have that teacher to thank. The teacher who
Uh,
probably just said it as a joke,
yeah,
but then took it
directly.
up and you've done well post that.
Yeah. That motivated me somewhere down the line.
And so it's been a few years now, in television. How would you sum up your journey so far? Has it been, a bumpy ride, or has it been a smooth ride? The ups and downs that all actors face in your industry.
Yeah. See, if you love the work, what you do, no problem is a problem then. You love its downfall also. You accept its sadness also. You love its failure also because you love the work. So I came down to Bombay in that 2009. I've almost given, in fact, Bombay Times done a fantastic. My first interview was in Bombay Times. I still remember, and the friends back in my hometown, Indore, Ujjain, MP, in Delhi, they were calling me up, bro, tera picture aaya, tera picture. Aaya. So that was the case, and and I was on 7th Heaven because uh, the line was, I have given 285 auditions. That was the headline of that particular article.
I remember.
And yeah. So coming from a small city, struggling for 1.5 years, getting a big show, God is very kind to me, and it's all about my mother blessings. Yeah, that's it. It's a fantastic journey today. It's been like 10 years now. In last 10 years, I have done 3 shows. One is Balika, one is Jana Sadur, third one is Roop. But I am first show fantastic, second okay, third fine. So I sum up my journey like, but I have a great satisfaction because I have done only that role or that character which I wanted to. I have never ever chased money or the byproduct of it. It's just a role I liked, and I just done. I've never ever chase money like, okay, acha, per day, so sign up the show and I sign up the character. No, I don't follow that. So
Yes,
I'm satisfied. I'm okay. I'm fine.
yes.
Yeah.
We can see in your body of work. You're quite particular about the characters that you take up in the last few
Yeah.
shows.
People call me mad also.
So what do you tell them?
I,
They say that.
I'm a creative man. I'm a madman. What to say then? I'm not a businessman. I'm a creative person.
Yes.
Yeah.
In fact,
Yeah.
your
Yeah.
creativity is even more visible these days in the lockdown, because I've been seeing some
Yeah.
interesting poems that you're putting out on your social handles. And I think you're also
Yeah.
writing
Yeah.
scripts these days.
Yeah, I've not scripts like as such, but I'm more of I can't write screenplays. I can write the mudda or the broad line of the story. Like I wrote like 7 to 8 short stories. Uh, I'm hoping that after lockdown, uh, I'll I'll try to direct it.
Your mother was always supportive of you, every decision of yours, and you owe it
Uh,
all to her. You always say.
uh, uh, we were friends. Like I always feel the presence, and uh, since the day I entered Bombay, uh, I felt I always felt that some energy is with me, guiding me, motivating me, inspiring me, and showing me the correct path. And as I am growing, I'm I'm more closer to the truth, the real life. So it's just all about the teachings, what I got from my mother, and I'm just because of my mom.
So, what do you have to say about 2020, Shashank? Some people say, let's write off this year. Let's not consider it ever existed. What does Shashank have to say about it?
Yeah, still few months are left, and back to back we heard a lot of sad stories, and like coronavirus, the Irfan Saab, then Rishi sir, then there was a gas leak, then we lost 5 jawans at the border, then some saints were killed, uh, deaths by coronavirus, and the plane crashed in Pakistan. Everything happened, but I what like wounds will be go, like wounds will vanish, but scars will be there. So, and the pain of laborers who walked on roads for like miles and miles, barefoot and hungry and thirsty and everything. And so we can't forget that. And that's our humanity side of the things. If you forget that, it questions our humanity. But if you remember that, that shows us that we have some human side still left in us. Uh, but one thing I learned from this thing, not one thing, but two things I learned very clearly from this lockdown or from this year till date is first, we have to be very careful. We have to be uh, uh, very alert for our nature. We can't take our nature for granted, like cutting down trees, setting up industries, building of number of buildings, constructions. So what we are doing to earth then? So in reverse, the earth is giving us this. And second, I learned on a very philosophical way that uh, what we are running for right now, we are running for more and more. But from last 2.5 years, if we sum up the things, we don't want that much. We are okay with this, like what we have. Uh, we are not going to shopping malls. We are not spending our money on brands, and we are not having food outside. And and still we are managing. We are alive. We are looking pretty. We are looking nice now. Our skin is glowing, isn't it?
Totally, totally.
So yeah. So what we are running for then?
Yeah.
What we are running? So we need to chill and we need to uh, rest some time and just uh, we are all satisfied, but we always think of the things which we don't have. And Roshni, one thing I want to include on this, that I have like I've connected myself to my relatives and to my close friends again on that note.
That's
There are a number of video calls with them now. They do the calls, I do the calls, and so I learned that these people are my people,
right.
and I hope everything's the same. That
Yes.
But on a daily basis, we are just running and forgetting people, just messaging happy birthday, happy new year, and finish it off.
So you've
Like,
actually found
like
something positive in this. It's brought you closer to your people.
actually, yeah. Don't you feel so?
Absolutely. No, so there is a lot of positive which has come out also. Clearly.
Yeah, because see now, you and me talking
Yeah. Yeah.
for the first time,
Yeah.
on a video call.
Yeah.
So that's the example I can give you right now.
Correct. Different things are happening. The things we never did are, happening right now. But we are enjoying.
Yeah.
True. Absolutely, Prashant.
Other than what option ही क्या है?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So on that note, I think it's a very positive note, Shashank. You're ending it
Yeah.
on. So on that
Thank
note,
you
I
so
would
much.
like to thank you for being a part of this. Thank you so
Oh,
much.
thank you for having me. And please be home, be safe, and be optimistic, be positive, and eat healthy.
I will. You too. Thanks.